Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, instead of doing promotion, I just want to share my experience with you guys out there. So what happened was yesterday I saw this Apple TV. This is third generations. It comes with a remote, a power cord, and the Apple TV itself for $35. I was able to get it to $30, and when I got home I tried to set it up. Everything was working fine. However, when I play like any cartoons from Apple TV, after about every 5 minutes, it's intermittently showing black screen. And so I googled it and I tried like different HDMI cable. I have like 3 different ones, like the basic one, and then I got like the monster cable as well. And I tried it, and it still has it. So I really, it stresses me out. I even tried all of the different inputs on my TV as well. So just to see, and all of them, they still do the same thing. Every 5 minutes, it just like it has like a black screen, like for like quick 1 or 2 seconds, and then go back on. And so I googled again, and I went to the Apple website, and here it tells you like basically what you should do. Either the problem could be the TV, HDMI cable, or the Apple TV itself. I know it's not the TV because I've been using that TV with my Bose system. And my TV is I think it's about maybe 11 years old. It's a 65-inch Samsung's model 65H 7150. It's a 3D TV. So it's not the TV, and I tried 3 different HDMI cables. I used the same cable, and I went over to my computer and I connected to my computer over here. Not my computer, my computer monitor, the 4K one, and it's working fine. It doesn't have like the black screen. And of course, I don't believe it's the Apple TV itself. So I even rebooted, reset it to factory. I did all that, and it still has the intermittent black screen. So it's so what happened was I YouTube it, and there's this gentleman probably from India. He was saying about buying like the Amazon basic HDMI cable, which I ordered already. But in the meantime, I want to make sure, I want to try out another cable. So I actually went to Best Buy, and I bought this cable, Dynex 6 feet HDMI. I believe it's just a basic one for $8. And for some reason, when I went home and I hooked it up, it's working. The intermittent black screen's gone. So my monster cable is about $30-$40, and it still does the flickering. So the black screen, but this one, $8 cable, solved the issues. So I really don't know what happened there. Like I said, I restarted, I updated everything, my TVs to the latest updates, and also the Apple TVs to the latest updates, and nothing worked. But just a basic HDMI cable like this from Best Buy, Dynex, it's simply is solved the issues. So I don't know, maybe inside the cable, maybe some kind of technology that they put in there, some kind of shielding, who knows what. But I'm really happy that that the black screen is gone, because it's kind of annoying when you watch it. Every 5 minutes you see a black screen, and then the picture and the sound stops, and then you go back on. But if any of you have the same issues, and if you don't mind sharing with everyone, like what you did to resolve it, or whether you could resolve it or not, so that way we all can learn from this. And I read a lot on the Apple, and there's nothing much information on there that can tell you the pinpoint to exactly what the issue is. But there's a lot of complaints about the Apple TV 3rd generation with intermittent black screens. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that it's help out some of you guys. And if you guys do like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and it's going to help out the channel a lot. And also consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit the bell notifications. Other than that, it's a Sunday. It's a good Sunday, Sunday. Wish you guys a happy Sunday, and stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.